Today, I will show you how to set signature recipes on Franke's A800 and how to delight a lot of customers every day with it. This machine can hold up to as many as 3 grinders, 1 or 2 powder hoppers, or an iced coffee model. It has a triple boiler system and is well known as the ultimate multitasker. I recommended the Foam Master technology for the perfect foam quality and adding the extraction control system IQ Flow just the way I love it. I'm about to do the final espresso settings. I'm changing my water levels to the 50 mils, extraction time to 24 seconds for my perfect recipe, and grinds up to 15 grams. Safe? And here we go, machine is ready. As a barista, I carefully select the right coffee beans. I know it's one of the most important factors. Then I adjusting the coarseness of the grinders to get the right flavors from my beans, set up the water and amount of the coffee, tamping pressure, and then my desired extraction with the patented IQ Flow system. This recipe can be transferred to the other machines or even applied to the fleet of the machines via Franke digital services, just with the push of the button. The A800 repeats my creation the next day, next week, even upcoming months without me having to adapt it. For delicious coffee drinks and happy customers, day in and day out. I hope you enjoyed that video about Franke's A800. This was Wojciech Tysler for Franke Coffee Systems. See you soon and stay tuned for more.